Rainy Friday by kanang we're shooting a wedding today. I'm shooting for Alden. I'll be working with Billy, and it's around 10 a.m. ang wedding. I'm running a bit on time, just exactly 10 a.m. Abot ko to sa Marnong. It's an hour and 20 drive. So medyo patipid kasi yung weather kasi it's rainy and wet and damp and whatever. So muna siya. Muna ito sitwasyon karon. So abot na tayo rin sa Marnong Estate. Check it out.
Which way?
Go straight here. Yeah. Hey man.
Hi.
Ooh. So karon is gonna make shoot. Nana sa day. So gonna make shoot and muna siya busy na.
Hiding. Sorry, we can all tell me. Hide away and hiding.
Damn.
Oh, that's the back.
Oh shit, that's This is Billy. Billy is today's bride. He's so ready. Hey,
Where else we go?
Oh, we got a veil as well. We got the veil.
Uwi na ako, boss.
When will
I don't know the words, boss. That's alright.
It's here.
Up the hill, right?
Yeah. Billy.
Keep your eyes closed.
3.
Yep. Ladies are so excited now. Just don't turn on the thing.
I'm wetting myself from doing this crazy.
Give me the video.
Oh, the other chips.
Some yan. Oh. Hi Ernest. How you going, Ernest? Again. More. So, panood na siya ng wedding. It's quite noisy now, so we'll see how we go. Yeah, we're about to start the wedding, and you can't hear me because it's so noisy up here. So yeah.
Get ready to go, because ladies and gentlemen, Nathaniel and Steph have declared their love for each other here this day in the presence of many witnesses. They have exchanged vows, and as they have witnessed, as we have witnessed, are committed to this marriage. Those whom God has joined together, let no man separate. And now before God, I pronounce you husband and wife. Nathaniel, you may kiss your bride. Very first time, Mr. and Mrs. Nathaniel and Stephanie Cho!
Beef up here.
I understand it's a really hot summer's day and then the cold.
Ho ho!
We need something to drink it. Like,
There you go.
Unfortunately, you are our last contestant. What table are you? 11. I'm so sorry. Maybe give it up to number 11.